Hey, welcome back to the woodlot. You guys learned some stuff about Stacy's little sweet potato video there, man. We're just teaching you guys how you can have food for the rest of your life. You know, we got a lot of little tips and garden tips and tricks. We grow 90% of our own food if you're new around here. And we also heat with wood and cook with wood and have hot water with wood. Everything we do is off-grid, no public utilities. And so this is the way we do it, is with the wood. And today, we're gonna get right into it too, because I'm up in the woodlot. I gotta cut some of these logs up and get ready for the next batch of logs to run through the splitter here. And I did get the drop figured out on the, some of you guys are something else. You wanna start welding stuff on the machine, and come on y'all, this stuff's all good to go. Just gotta get it dialed in, right? It's a new machine to me, so I have to get it figured out. You don't just start welding stuff on it. And man, some of you guys came up with some stuff, boy. You'll see. I'll show you guys. It'll get smooth as butter here. I'm just getting it dialed in though, so don't give up on me. But today we're going to talk about the chainsaw. Probably the best chainsaw you can get for a cold start, right? Today, right now, it's about 25 degrees Fahrenheit. We woke up, it was about 9 degrees Fahrenheit. And one of the struggles that logger guys like us have, and if you guys cut firewood or you're going to get a saw or something, is the cold start. You know, sometimes you'll get out there and it'll be so cold, and then you'll get to going, and you know, you just can't get it started, and you'll flood it, and then you have to wait, right? And I'm going to show you guys a comparison. I'll show you a different saw, you know, that doesn't have it, and then a saw that has it, and then you guys can see the cold start and everything. Plus I even got the temperature gun. I brought it up here, it's around somewhere, so I'm gonna shoot the saw and everything with the temperature gun, so you know I haven't been playing around with warming it up or nothing. I'm grabbing these right off the shelf and bringing them out. So all right, let's get busy on the test, and then we're gonna cut some wood. Start the one without the technology, right? It's an older saw, it's an MS-270. They call it the Farm Boss now, right? It's even got this cool little thing on the bar here. Let me show you. That's why I got it. All fooling aside now. Now I'm going to shoot this. This is one of those temperature guns, right? And I'm going to shoot it at this saw here so you can see it's nice and cold. I haven't started it up. There's no cheating, right? You always get the straight stuff here. Sometimes I'm slow about bringing it around, but I'll get it to you. Like the solar stuff. That was just a little funny joke there. But it's coming. All right, so I'm going to shoot this Farm Boss. We're going to see what the temperature is. MS-270, and then we're going to try to start her up. It's like 25 degrees, light flurries outside right now, and we'll see what we got. All right, shooting it at the machine here. We got 26 degrees Fahrenheit. 26 degrees Fahrenheit, cold start, Stihl, MS-270, Farm Boss. Here we go. That wasn't too bad. We want it to run though here. See, it just caught up with itself. Count that as running. And that was pretty good. That wasn't too bad, you know. Just chewed up a little time. You got to pull on a little more. It floods itself. You got to back off, give it a breathe. And some of you guys are gonna be like, well, you should be having this and that clean, and maybe the spark plugs. I mean, I keep it pretty tip top, and this is just the average stuff, right? This isn't just like, you know, over burdensome on your stuff. I'm just a working slug. I get out here and I maintenance my machines, but I'm not over special about it. You know what I mean? I use them and I repair them and I do the best I can with them, and that's kind of the thing, right? So I don't think that's going to be an issue really. Now I'm going to start up this other one here. Now what we got here is The MS-500i. I mean, you kind of get what I was saying, right? All I'm saying is, like, I'm just like most guys usually, you know? We just buy this stuff and then we run it hard and put it away wet, and then when it breaks down, we fix it, right? You guys kind of get what I'm saying. So that's the MS-500i, and the I stands for injection, right? It's called a fuel injection. So it's pretty slick, and now I'm going to show you guys with the same temperatures and everything. We're going to get the temperature gun, put it on this machine, and then we're going to start her up and see how it does with the cold start. 23 degrees. 23.7 degrees, 23.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty consistent temperature there. Okay. All things being equal, we got it over there. We're going to bring it back over here just like that. And we'll give it the old start. Now with this one here, we actually push a little fuel bubble on the back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I always do it 7. All right, and then we'll just, when it's really cold, you have a compression valve up here. I don't think it's that cold out, and we'll just see the difference in how it starts. Ready? And here we go. Ooh. Ooh. That's it. Little stop button on the back there. You see what I'm saying? Big difference. Now that we got the science out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and cut some rounds. Some of you guys are waiting to see this. We're gonna throw some chunks right now, and I'm gonna go pick up some logs right quick over here. You know, I like to stage my area over here, and we have some 50 degrees or something coming like tomorrow. I don't know. So what'll happen is all this snow and ice and everything, it'll all melt away, and then this will become muddy and everything. So I'll grab a bunch of logs over here. There's some real nice fat ones right over there. I'm gonna get those brought over and processed, and then probably the next video that we see up here at the woodlot, I'm gonna show you guys, you know, about switching the head off of here to a different head, so I can put those 22, 19, 21, 23 inch rounds through there without handling them, right? And then you're also gonna see, right, make sure you stay tuned and you're subscribed. We're gonna see how this thing feeds and how that takes the wood away. Take the wood away. Who knows that reference? Come on, I'm always dropping these little old fun song references in the videos. Leave them down in the comment below if you get that one. Take that wood away. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's go get this wood, and then let's run these saws. Starts right up. The can's pretty handy dandy. It's got the bar oil on one side and then it's got the premix on the other. I really like that. I used to have to drag around 2 cans, one little one for the premix and then another one for the gas if I ran out of premix. And oh geez, so it's been working out pretty good. The bar oil doesn't want to come out too fast though. A little slow. Boy, you can sure hear those geese. I don't know if you guys can, but they're about as loud as this chainsaw. And you can actually use the gas spout on there. You know how all these newfangled gas things are. Can't even use it. This is a Husqvarna can. I don't know why Stihl doesn't have one. I get Stihl everything. This can's a winner chicken dinner. Alright, we're just about fueled up. We're going to get at it. You guys are enjoying our little day out at the woodlot. Thanks for stopping by, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you're new around here, and sometimes you got to check your subscription just because they like to unsubscribe you. Alright, let's get some. For you guys today, I wanted to see if you guys were interested in seeing about a cold start saw, because I mean really it is important. Pulling on that thing, flooding it out, waiting, it's just time killer. And I got that saw, I've had it for 2 years, I think. A year and a half, 2 years, maybe a year-ish. But it has been a really good saw for the winter time. But I still use my Farm Boss quite a bit. I just don't lean on it as much in these cold days, right? And I've had it out here with, 2 degrees, 5 degrees, whatever you could bear, as a person to cut wood on that day. But it starts up every time. So the other one starts up eventually and it gets going, just not as good. All right, I'm gonna cut some more of these logs here. Get some more rounds ready for our next experiment. I'm going to show you guys, this thing's going to eat them up, I'm telling you. And over at Easton Made, this is tried and true stuff right here. Those guys take a lot of pride in their machines. Andrew over there, all this stuff's heavy metal. It's not light, thin stuff, right? No one needs to weld the chute arms up any higher on the wings on the area there. It's just me. I'll get it dialed in, you guys will see me do it, and then you'll see how it operates, just smooth as butter, baby. Because I already got that one figured out, so it's not that big of a learning curve. All right, smash the thumbs up on the way out. Make sure you are subscribed. I think I already said all this stuff, but I'm all worked up. Got my blood boiling now. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I've been thinking I might up and leave the city. I've been praying on some simple Midwest living, homestead instead of my own 9 to 5 with a suit and tie, going off grid with Doug and Stacy.
Did you guys know that in the 16, 17, and 1800s, chocolate was consumed as a beverage? There was no such thing as a chocolate candy bar. Well, we're bringing chocolate tea back to the 21st century because it's loaded with antioxidants our body loves, and it's a great source of magnesium that's wonderful for bone and heart health. It's a great addition to your coffee machine or your French press, or just along with your favorite sweetener. You can find it on offgridwithdougendstacy.com, along with our brand new tea infuser, simple to use for easy steeping. Cheers!